Tentem sanse wadwen kyerɛ wode bɛka ho no ehia mepa okɔ adom 106.3 FM ye page ho e wo Facebook a wobetimi de wadwen kyerɛ ato ho na afei me ne wo abon komo no na ama ayeka mapa yesua de se yakoye mayi wo sa yete ye nipadua no ase de nipadua no pɛ ene de eye ma yen na aboa ama ya kanea ama ye society ana sempotamu ayete na ebia soman no so na aka wiase nyina nyame eboma eyeyeye eseye ne ye kanea ye ma wiase ehweren enti ewo se ema yete nipadua ase ne hu yetumi a ekra ye Nyankopon de ma ye no na ama yetimi ehunu de wo seye ye ene de ni kwan se ye kun ye ho na ye de kwesanse no kra no etimi kum ene nyame ayemadom ama menya madam baako ewo hanom madam memwa kwa aba eba yemmon komoso mpacho twebe makasa mu no mame mpacho udin ene baby a ofri ebeto ayen e wo fie ha
ye frame me gift your ben me child you kumasi Opokuwari basic school
Opokuwari ene ofri akese mu ne ba mo akwa aba ena me ne rasta ya empese nguni tiri so bitimi hu so ya rasta e wona adwin mu ene ne niye mu eti we eye kwesi oware rasta mo akwa aba
ya minia
mi ama kire wachi kwan mintimi ntwen ma modin no sansa rasta mehia wo na mpese ne ngu so de ayensa ne ma ekoso wo tiri mu no doso
papa
memo akwa aba medam ase foto twimu se enkomo no koso ano ye ne head ya wo constructive plastic surgery and burn center wo kolebu Dr. Opokuwari Ampoma ye ne no bedi nkomo esanse enkomo aye die se ye besesa ye nipadua kwa baabi no ni nyina efasa constructive plastic surgery no ehu enti the amount for say body sculpture no ye ne doctor bedi nkomo ama wa chechre ye mu ye ye mo nkomo madam gift wo yo ba ene me de be sha se wo so wo yo ba edien ena wakoyo bay ususu se ewo oba bi enni bia ewo se nani bre ewo fa Nyankopon yeti yani yaso yakon ye hwene ene ye nan ye tuni ye nufo ne ade emudie wo he ena wo hwa so oba bi enni bia ema ne bayo ni munti ewo so kokope bi
minu ya medase yedi kan ne mi hunu se Nyankopon abodie mu no ene Nyankopon nyansam no obo bia sane ebe fata no na sane na wabonu ni na husuo ni ne kala bibini beka se ne wedie ene ne to ne hwene esi nanim no ebe fata no enu nti na mi hu se Nyankopon ye den ode ma wo mi hu se ebia me hwene ye esi manim ohima ye tu besi wudie ya ebia emfete so ahu enti bibi die yi sane yetie no efiti manim ena wudie nso obi hu otimi ka se ere hu ya me fe o ba e bia me die na si wanim so anka ba ya bibi different nipa hu a obedwen se ni yamba se kakra ati se ye de e bia chance foforo eti akokata foforo so enti mi die me yo ba ni mi hu ni se Nyankopon nyansam no ni odi ma oba bia no o se fata
anam po nipa bia no
ni nyame de ma no o se fata enti no odi ma o ma foforo e bia emfete se na ewuni pasu no esite enti mi hu se mi bi oba bia na se mi ye nipa yi bibi wo me ho a etosini wo me ho me widie me ne me to manim ene me se dia me nipa dua ti
bi obi beka sa wo de wo bi wo ofe wo bibia bi enti na unhunu no ana unhunu ne saa
mi so mi hu se me dwen se obi a hwe nanim wa hwehwe ma nanim ye ne fe
yo me da se rasta ewo ha kwasi oware ewo ha menu ebema edian ena wo hu uyo be mai wo hwe kwan se wo be hu wo ba ho ya enu nti se wo hwe oba bi na ebi ni ne ho a ususu se ewo se anka we di onya we ka ho a anka eye
miniaba senia miniaba ne di kan ye no onipa bia senia Onyankopon bo no ena ohwe wo su ne wo structure na no de ni onyam bi ho ne ma medase
Toyota car
medase
I was on your Toyota pass now they are
thank you Itino akoye se no eya ye se competition bi aso hima animu eda ho nti e wo se menso manimu da ho bi nti ene ma menko hu doctor no tinitini manimu ntwe mehwene na anya tintin bi nka ho ana omi ana nye tratra bi nka ho ana medie enso ohun eya na akoye se
wode de ewo ho no yemfa no nte eno beba mepese mi hu se wo yo be me bibi ewo ho no mo a oba nibia etine bayo no mani tosin a enti mo mema mo de munyaya na nka oba bia woto munyaya nka oba bia Coca-Cola shape munyaya nka oba bia wo hour of glass shape mo wo bibi sa wo mutri mu ana
mini aba eme se oba me bia ne eni ohwehwe ebi pe no ato akese ebi pe enufu akese ebi pe hour glass shape no intino se oyo obema na otisi krom na se ope oba owoto a ohun ne owoto a na abefre no ase ne ase ne odi kan Toyota no obi wo ho a o ma ne ka bia Toyota enye Toyota anwa intino se oyo obema ope oba owoto a ohun ne ane totra sebi onfre no obema na twemako saa na oyo obema na ope oba sebe ni mpokua ne yankumankuma yi bia wo bia na ene na wani age pepepe obi nso beka se na branti pa de ye pe ayi na afofo a o se sei itine eno no
na afofo ne de wa hin no
eno ni empanyifo no Manchester fo no
Manchester ne de wa hin
no fo akese no triple D 44D no
wo so didi atoto so ebede na obi kon no so nso bedu di ho wo hu
se obema bia ne ne ohwehwe obi pe ankadwa obi pe lemon obi pe akutuo obi pe watermelon enti se me pe watermelon na ama me ankadwa me pia sinche na makofa me watermelon saa so na kofi pe ankadwa na ama na watermelon obi pia sinche na makofa na ankadwa enti no eno ne nanso emu ma na ya na o se na kan ye bedru ho enti no
yo
me de besi ha
nyame ya drum ama Dr. Opoku Ware Ampoma plastic surgeon na yebo ni din no magina baba e de na beka yensa e wo fie ha Dr. Makwaba ya twen wachi o ene ensam honom Dr. Abaide na yenko Dr. honom na afei oma yen de odi free na so ye eba ye no bi Dr. enkomo na ye die ene se emma timi tosin ese eto de bia e wo se ye de fela ene poti ehihye baabie na ye file so wie na ye spray so se de be ya ye bedi mu ana
yo me da se fan ye juma na ye reconstructive plastic surgery no yo mu ahodo mi no yo reconstructive surgery
okay
and na yo cosmetic surgery na ni na ye plastic surgery no ye ka plastic and just say the plastic be tire baby but
ye ka say am the rubber
ye be plastic no Greek for kasa plasticus and plasticus just say wo modi bibi na wo shape bibi just say wo bo bibi okay wo bo bibi what does it say na yakopon edi notie wini nipa no ha sana identity ne plastic no word no kasa plastics no efi but oka plastic surgery na ye omo ahodo mi no ye wo cosmetic surgery and ye wo reconstructive surgery na reconstructive surgery no surgery say obi hu etochima na say obi di dem so obi say ebia nipa ebia obi wa ye wo no na ebia na ne hunam no baby and we pay and for me obi a ebebo no na ne nsa no aka bom ana say ne nim no and for me ya na no protocol kind of cleft lip once and I'm not quite be them one and say the minimum to me be any part of the body and you know say eba no sana na just say ye operation e de siesie hu nupeduano ama na ba ye pepepe nti no dey reconstructive ebi so wo a nipa ye koye be yare etumi ha nipa yare etumi ma nipa edi form ana say esan ewo ho nti accident kwa ka nhia obi akunya egu
na awewia ma ya to dompe
exactly
anabia mitimoto so na ayimi ahye
wona ka kwa nhia ana say ejumam na obi oye ejuma no we pra all those here nti no na je say nipa no bibi sinto bi aba ni padua no mu je say yesiesi nti no dey reconstructive surgery na ye kind of cosmetic surgery no ye say bia woni padua no won yare sinto bia sheda ba ho but bia na ensisan bi aba ana say bia obi wa ebi enyin unyi no na oni padua no emu sesa to obi wa no pese okọ ne dada emu ana say obi wa na bia ye bo no officer e bia menufu e bia se na menufu no etie no e bia me pese me sesa na me ma na ye kese ana say mechi me pese mechi ni ye kese ana bibisa ha no nipa no uhun nipa no na ma unka se nipa we e bia fault bi wo no but e bia bibi e wo nipa no body ho a officer opese osesa nti no ne pe e no de
nti na
cosmetic because no enye yare so yare onyare
nti no ya be fa ne se watonku a wo sra wo pesa wo de ye wa wedie no ye se de wo hunam no wo pesa eye nti cosmetic
exactly nti no is a yes wo yare nti no based on nipa no choice but their Emma cosmetic surgery no aye popular nime bi na ma cosmetic surgery no and I say higher popular bako technology say nipa addition and humanim akwenim no any technology medical technology na akwenim ntino a lot of these near ya to me here for reconstructive by science so that techniques na to me the year cosmetic you know
natural say adia say say egu mensa ho a ye yema ene mewedie ni nyina be ye pe no so obi nso ba na o se mpesa mesesa mewedie a yetimi de sa de no ayema no e de sesa ma no
exactly because of technical before you kind of medical advancement into no I say I possible first no say o kai say ebre bi etwem no say obi ye ka say obi koyo operation kra just say or try ne will because on him say this empa we say fie phone na just ebusu phone na e ya country na cause na ehuye
so for kra de je eyipa
exactly but you see ano because of technology ni addition ne efidie abefo fidie abentino are very safe what I say into say property hwemu na say call the right omo aye training omo na say professional no mo hu nim dia na very safe into your kind of cosmetic surgery say you know kind of cosmetic surgery procedures aye wo wiase mo a bo or more than 5 years more than exactly what I say of course wo wiase because of the safety aspects na abano what I say the also miensa so internet any Instagram ne sa anima abento
internet ya social media internet ya na akofa de
internet exactly into say no so obi ye bibi e wo America in an instant no na obi organ cross cry na we hu say bia e fan say na ye wo some people or ye from what were social influencers or no be on your president as such but omo influences say bia e fan say Kardashians and now say some of those celebrities and our stars no what you say because amoye say omoye amama and I say popular figures into no omo influence fashion trend obi go opam atare say obo say na obia epam star no design akoba no what you say into no some of these factors and I influence and say you fano we are generally no you seek asem so better than before first no na dia obedi kra hoarding but you see no say when you sigana say bibia ba ho afi na you know some of these is become more exactly you know these are some of the factors are influence the cosmetic surgery
no share cosmetic surgery no ye Ghana ha no dia wa hen e na ye common pa o say ya ahodo bebre
yes
dia wa hen e na ye common e we Ghana ha
yes they are common this is man for te bisa na ma say shade say ye be liposuction say bia de fu na bia shade edos won fu so na bizna opese ye twi shade ni bigu enti no liposuction na fat transfer enti liposuction say ye twi bi wo ha na say di kogu baby a e fat transfer enti no eno na e binum cause body sculpting say ye yibi efia na ye dey egu ha na sort of thing but no ye one of the commonest demands and one of the other ones say be tummy tuck say be oba or fire phone na say after this once say na ni fru no once na stretch marks I su bebre and I say so
yeah ka say
it me be move to me be into no gina okra na I said sila on him into those ones so common benum soup say bia ni nufo and so be wa na yen ne kase na ne keto about na obese gina once o see so no na mo friend Bobby stand
ne say Bobby pacha
this say na I say na ya say pancake bisa no into no obese say gina o say aba ne dademu and those are some of the common ones are nipa but there are different types
about 4 year meda say Dr. Hayadom 106.3 FM komo no ye de said ye timi ko hu doctor for ma body ayi kura no ye timi sisam tetene na ye mfro so wo shanku se bedru ba bi no na chen shankuswa ena tetene na obo fly said Manchester be kakra na watimi say yes bibia bem eno ho komo ena ye die na Dr. Mayen apomuden wani a eye ho adwuma no wo mo fam de wo mo nim efa ho enti ene Dr. Nkomo no beto aso kakra ansana yetimi abam ye guso aye ko betimi de wadwenkyere akoye Facebook page ye mon komo etwagu ewo ho wetimi de atoase na so betimi a share na ne wabusua nyina mo ahwebi doc there wo kase fat transfer ye twe sade no bi ewo baby a na de akogu baby eno e sade papa
say wa honam sade ene ye twe enti ye twe an say ye twe ya na edi kogu e ba ye twe an ye process ye fa bi fidie bi mu na bi wa na bia moja ni nsuo ne ade bi agina enti no ye separate na fat cells no enti ye a form of but for kind of transplant say fat no e won kwa
ti mo maninwu
the maninwu the good solution mean te maninwu enti say fat no say transfer sana wo ye kese no so be kese wo fon no so be fon what I say
na kan be bisa sasa otwe na de gu a na da che so esa atna veranda so a cement so na e fon
baby to say ye procedure no ma we immediately now because you transfer fat no abana fat no and venison
cells no
adjust it to new place now on your mark on yet into no and no so man pressure ebe say into no you be advise say bia for the next bia be na outri back on me no and that's so a man of pressure into be obebutu into no after that time no there na aye okay
now settle Jenny ultimate na veranda so doctor so the na veranda so enye hwe de hia ne say be settle ewie pe wawie doctor ba ko amate ene say yesi bibi de silicone eno so mutimi de hyehye eto no ne enufuo no eno so ye bi wo Ghana ha
yes silicone no is just a material saying you process it. Silicone you different types. We call black market or more industrial grade silicone. I don't know what they call it. Say I have problems. But your medical grade silicone, I know you are refining, you are processing. And no, to me the share body no money ye. Ain't no say in fact reconstructive side no. Say be your bar when you say breast cancer. Say you new for no sana you to me the silicone no new breast emano so also na yeah ba no cosmetic side na obi a ya fa no say the nufu office the nufu so yetumi the silicone no bi ehye nufu no ema no ye bigger size just say ha and silicone no silicone no yetumi depending on procedure or person or silicone to me using in different
and yes doc we dey mate ye be gina so say we see etimi
be ma kra wo mo dia omoye but Ghana no ye entanya that those kind of requests will be all kra say bia o person onya 6 pack ana o person ne boso no onya
enya mo wa sa Ghana mema ntanye Ghana mema de ni me one sack. And you know wrong one year did you grow and so spark the barrier ya de kwa ya mo ko mo juma de Adom 106.3 FM ya ni Dr. Opoku Warrior Mpoma wo kire ya de ansa na ya ba bedim komo Madam Gift Oben wa ha me nua ba ma Rasta ono so eye oware enti me wo doctor worry wa hana misazo kwesi worry wa hanti ne me ne anuanom by name ena ehia e wo fie hanom ena madam no so kira de wo poku worry
oh madam
e ba sa moto me ana ena ya de ya monko mojuma de no ebro enti doctor silicone no afa ye ba be hwe se sa surgery ayaye wo how bi wo yeso ana silicone no so oba de hye ne nufo ana ne to ana ba bia wo de be hye no eye forever and ever a onyi biewu a enha no enye hwe ana
but we be a very good question because silicone no number 1 no tama silicone no started using in the 1960s no but now been feel say bia silicone no use here be ma wanya breast cancer beni musa ya mu hwehwemu say silicone no ma breast cancer but they almost say there were 2 types of silicone because you industrial silicone they dey go fidie mu and they dey she ni pedue ni mu no medical grade silicone but depending on baby akwa wo procedure no wo no sometimes obi no mo say baby ano ye wo papa ne o black market there so and sometimes you see wrong one and also to me sometimes kwa no na capsule no container na wo mu kwa ye papa to me pie na but say obi a obi akoye sa silicone implant na pie and say bibisa no and no yeah because of the inferior grade in fact ubekaya be enfie million na say miensa ni France be big case be of France because now company be of PIP or mo ye ta fake implants be but then no cheap into the amount for use fine but anyway but the good the proper one and no medical grade silicone and cause any
side effects
our issues no I'm coming to that who you see silicone so the silicone run the pedue anymore silicone no bibia artificial foreign body into no been our body no to me react to silicone kakra into no into was say we are careful as a person we are careful baby how the best no because also nya say also nya enough tissue e cover na answer to me
with there was so nya baby a with there betimi
akataso because akataso sa na e betumi edibo say na eyi ni tie pie na o say yi ana say to me e shift efi baby a wo da share
kan me baso me shemu bibia na ababa bi wo kona ne to achia otena play mu na wada no wa yesi nti o sorry ye no na silicone na nam ka say agro
no na here at once a gradual process Inti no so to me see inti e no inti plan to me displace and I say to me and sometimes the body require to me react to implant e no be capsular contracture inti no a technical but sometimes so severe I was say ye implants no okay but into but of course technology improving no more newer types of implant I know because of shape so no wire contain and into no cause less of these problems. But it's something we are ukoye implant. I was say yechira na utia answer why.
Okay.
Secondly, no
silicone answer na bekoye no. No kresa ukwa akofra lupra. Na wa share silicone na was all catch your mom dom. So say etimi pai e wa lupri.
Debi. Wo say na me say ni na ye
technology.
The proper implants now. It's be to withstand all sorts of. In fact, say me friend say, we buy a office na say your mouth silicone implant. Na make us say pie now. We hear they want to be pie no. What the sabe shishwe saying we buy whatever want to be pie no. Because a good quality implants no, they are made to stand very very high pressures. But the home no say, and yeah forever. And for most of the implants no. Your free will be maintenance into the every at least 10 to 12 years no. I was say son. But binu why be ana or yeah no one tia say na say sika say meeting office ne ho so no say
na ni boto mi no koye 10 years no do no na do obedi kura bi ni ho
it no it and the say manufacturer no wa guarantee for 12 although some of them can go beyond that, but I say a draw and I say it's a guaranteed period 10 to 12 years. And to know say sa Bruno Swan and there was sa and to say if BBC after that they are going to be blaming manufacturer no say on 1 year age my
Meda say Dr. Cheye Mupa, doctor at what age especially here Ghana age saying and eba and na age ben and na eyema wo say obetimi aye sa surgery ye kekan nyina plastic surgery no funny what can I say liposuction fat transfer silicone and then keka ho no nyina age ben and ye appropriate of baby.
To be honest with you, any cut off age as such for say bia we need do sa age years and obetimi aye these procedures. But in now a question of for reconstructive surgery, you know, sometimes obi wa now a young girl, but now you are renting, you know, I was saying you see implant, silicone implant man, in TB use because I don't know because yare no yare into the area man but you need cut off age as such. But the home say who as a practitioner no, so we banner obey my request for BB Sana. I was say we also hwehwemu and just say because of we in the man and now what you see into that just say oba na say oyama. One of the things we share sometimes we consider age. Because be as some secondary school girl na so ba na be out of peer pressure be okwo adware na who say me now for no mu na ma you know no ba na ka say oh enti be no so no say peer pressure. That is not the solution or psychological problem. Until I say woman no counseling because no I feel no only some people no almost so no but do in their 30 na new because some of these things you don't just say obi abaya na yaman but there's no cut off age as such but I say we counsel the back. Number 2 obi so bana se wo hwe na obi wa na aware semen koyi enti ofise bia me kuro kodi oba bia na echi so echi ntino bia seme koye no ano na be ma
obaji akoye competition
exactly and no sa no a wrong motive because nothing shows say you know obeya there no be some problem we get it enti no na binum so wo ho a omo body no omo bibia ye pepepe tizo wo hu omo kra omo ye ofe ana say wo kra wo be admire omo but omo wo psychological issue bia oso ano ebia na ye huru no ana say bibi ntino o da hye ni trim enti ono de ne ho ye no fe so hwe ne ho ono office ne ho ye tan ntino
ba hwe ne ho ma bad remarks
exactly o just obi wo ka compliment ne say o ne ho ye fukwa de bi o to me accept compliment no enti some of those people no more psychological problem omo be here say be nyo mo be fa through counseling but say o doctor no say one pick up on data oh yes said you man about the next day was aba say oh in me ha oh na abeye repetitive o hwe celebrities bi no wa Oma ye this repeated so afi omba wi kwa no mo ho aye tan kwa than before that. And you know we need to balance it. It is into cosmetic surgery what the indications. There are certain times it's okay to do it. But then we also have to make sure say we are doing it for the right indications.
Okay, but that's me research kakra bi on YouTube. Na enema mi hu ye no. Wo bia ya ma ne hwene na abu agum.
Oh, na say you happen bia wa munya no baby kwa.
Wa obi aya ma awiam mpo sese wontimi mpie bio. Ena obi nso aya ma ese wase okra. Uhuna asa okra na eba ne oba bese wadane nanimu aba bese okra. Ye wo nipa ne bu omo ye wie a obi beka se wo mo aye fede. Nanso obu onu ma na wieye no ene asem enu nyina na aka ho bi ama ene ye mo nkomo so ye ne enuanom mma edi ho nkomo doctor kan asem bi was ye kan no say emema nso wo bi na cha say nya common ye ga na hakra no ye nya was mema kakra bi a ye fashion design ne ma bi nti no open the six packs bi dia kwa koye bibi enu achi no emema dodo sen ne beka se oba na mene ne wo ho no wo jai me wakwakofo oba ma wo six packs nti mi so me kwa koye surgery na manya six pack no oba na sen aba anaso oba onu super six packs aba be peme ebi mu so pe one sack obi mpa oba ne tu bebre obi nso so pe adan na wo ntwen wo de enu nti na ye mon komoso ye pese ye empower ye ho ye kire ye tumi eme ye hu se oyo oba sabi wonye se bebo hu totals adan nti awo de twen obema ye nya mema ni bia ye ma omo som ye bo ye jeje wo omo so krokro mo esuga omo pampa omo na mom enu nche se de nyame aye no odi bi beka ye bekwa wie na se doctor betu ye fo se ye nkoso ane anya de a ene na on na ye obemfu nti ne de no ena ye befa Kaisa CB men capsules eye mema ye papa obema wuja dum wompem light dum wompem a wadro any CB men capsules edre ye pa bo modi so be hwechia kwan na se wunya bia ebema oni oba no goyo waya na tweka no ni nyina to atwa obema bibra ne ho ahipa ye bra wabo akonhoma enye de hia no oba no kwaye adwu obenya sika ade ahwe ne ho ekasika nkwankwa ama wade ya de ne enu ntimi nyesika na de brabrani ntimi nua be ma hwehwe CB men capsules a CB herbal center for e de aba no na ebe ma wani manyam no emu api e wo fi okasa afi tumi bebem afi mi nua no mai wo ba wo sori a chokrodo wiase life nyina bobisi asia ho nso so nye na enu na akoya na asa obai hwehwe dronom CB women capsules ebema ho no mache be tight ya na manage adru a wo benom na ebeye omu adwuma yare ni bu ho kra fi wo mojanim emwa na aba mu no wo mojanim enti wo no maduro na ahohoro mojanim nyina na ma ase hwa ya kama ana na bama himfi ha chakasa ade utu galamse wo ho hwehwe CB women capsules ne nom na enya ho adwuma ma wo baby bia yeto aduro e wo Ghana hanom okwa a ubenya bi na watso achiremide wo mo numbers be ma wo utu aton so a wokho a ubenya bi afi mamra menua ba gifty oben madam awchade opoku warrior wone awuranom owarefo ahia memra ne nchen na fi madam medika hwe se edian na wo besesa ade no kra na ema no ehye no yesese san so kra betimi ama osunsan so ebia nna yese from ente hoda nna wosika eno akwakwa surgery no ebedi be 12 years na wosan akona akokosisi na sesika ni ho no ma eno so betimi ahawo wochiri se edian ena minim so ne madi nkomo akwa madam e ni parents bi kwa di nkomo ema bu wo mo ho abofia ema epushi wo mo koyesa
me dasi yeti ani se aya ye meme ya obai no Nyankopon abone fefefe wawari no moti fefefe enso behu ana ba mai ni nampomam nam kwanchan tesa na obai utase aya ne tese like obai o mikro kofani ne 20 ana ne kokko inti ana se edenti ana ne kese enti okay se oba kese na mikro kofa dia ene na msumenu maduro madidi aye kese mu se no ba kono no ena se obai kokko yi nsusu a ene ye na se mekodwa so no makope nhu a mesu metim di aye kokko yi bi na mikunu hu a patena fie
Any a creton as no.
Creton as a day at it is 7 the water. Say one year pass. And Tia, Mamma Yan, a may. And it is a slim to cemetery. Now, so because who look for about to Cassia or penny a machine. Eh? They didn't could that honey. And if you could have some group to Cassia one king. Then you know, they draw 12 for a doctor. No, who is a doctor, Mr. Person between Cassia. No, Bama, it's two ship. Why be a man? Mimi tear me to Cassia away me. Ain't you know? You say, Mamma, Cassana, say, Mamma, we are there. Opa took a sea and cry, saying, so to Cassia, one who could not confront him, or took a sea, but one was a coffee. Was I says a webby? Not just say, wow. You who say, a pressure, Mamma, no, and Penachino, oh, more to chin a basa, and a man, no so. Who says, I know we are going to make a call. Took a city. And see, can be through when they say a mano, a coom, and mamma said a bay, I bet me and your beman at an fee. Very good. And one is who say any solution. Medasi, Minia, Bema, and no cressa, more money pressure, must say the man per se a dear TC form, now you're now him, a mamma. Many are banning yarding. Is as a more. Na mo compete. Tano akwa faba. Why referee no be gina ntem. So. Ya de gina ho. Se dem di kan. Meti hoi me pe oba slim. Ni mpokua anka adwoa. Ne to tra se frying pan. Na ma be fa wo. Na me ne wonam. E bia da krope. Wo hu se me ni abawe bi nam tundra bi nam oha se na me nsumi ko hu doctor na onya me tundra aye woni tundra na monya competition nyam na me kan se koye be sure me sure pa you na ko fa bai wan go she tundra anka obekọ akoye bi debi wo hu se cars nyina efe ana akono bone oh enya akono bone ebia na nkomodie ne yedi ebia no yem evangelism o tu bayi me dasi o ha hu ya wani abre no o se me koye bi na o de na nkodi amwa na bankuma akoye kese ase nifa na efe o toguso onso na nchia awuraba bi atete ne yese e bai no omo wo pane enti okoye no de edikan wo pane no benkum na doctor ne ka kire say next time obeba no onka na yemfa nwonifa the week okoye say na ni re ni esan di wo benkum no tell you on am so we na double pack and na han so amana kommo enti oh bini aba te say yen mamai u ware a ewo ma ani ha kakra bebe ma na oya ye one pot enya mamai nyina na yetimi kwagem iti usia ukun na bia wa 6 pack na efe ware na efe ware ne kwani na ya one sack na ada na yen de yen konkotwen ne yen kase ye koye 6 iti ada na wo ma ware wa me ware wo ejengina so enkola mienu miensa ba atiato me ka ho nan me ka ho nan me dase ye nyina ye atwi na ato a o se ne me kwa kopegya gina ho bio efinense bia kwa yase wo hu se enna na wo ka no wo fa no no se de na wote na no wani gye ne ho no afi yade e sha se nense kwa yase a mayanketo ankwa na no musa se asani yesa wo ade na so hwe de edi anu musa no hu e bia na wo no wa uni masa ente se okosua asa na aba no na yesa azonto na asa ankwa adobie dia meni mayo an besa sa wo hu so hu ente ebe ma oyire de ahomti akosua asa na abu ni sisi ebia ni o oh etina meka se eyemu amu competition anya by force any atefie men kwa yi na mo fa competition ne ba anya ye fault eno de because NFA o hwe ayi senior doc kan yen celebrities insta hwan ni twin hwan slay queens thank you musi su fitia no pa kopi anwumre tuba hu obi watwa no de photoshop no aye ni mu ne tia se ayi tapolino o se ene amisu mi koye bi misu kan watu abom se mo boto
Eti uchia
so kanu. Enne ya no.
Me pe sa ntia de na wo koye setapoli.
Enne ya no. Do kwa hu de ntia ya e ma ne ye ba no. Wo hu sa de wo kanu no. Wotu wa na ahyew. Na say wo be kire ne say wo so ugina na so. Enna utimi gina hwehwe ma no aka say me pa me ni. Na mi gina me na so. Ene mesen akọ. We ne mama no eba no. Na do kwa me hwe enokra say ye bitimi yi ye mfen kasa no bi. Enokre.
Enokre. Some ye kind of obi wa na we hu celebrity CBA some in your be my kind
quick
until sometimes no one person munya sa shape na na say we say yi en fit there wo ase no na no sa no sometimes no so won ho esusu aso
ebe wo
no obi wa to be ba say o me perceive na me jense look e fa na say Sebi o say yeti ye ho ase ye free bibi self acceptance nipa o say what ho ase now you know who accept yourself as
nipa we ye no
wo mu say plastic surgery abai ntino ye tumi sisa nima mu but it should be so I mean, it shouldn't be say under pressure. Be I say by force and that comes. What is American? Because the woman say, and tell me you have my kai, a mema ye nipa na Bible says nipa no Joshua
nipa de o share eni so nyame ne hwa akoma
mu. No definitely the same fan say. Sometimes no reasons are bound to be this process so na ejuma sem wo the banks ya be wo the kowo na size lose shape there but say ye consider
HR starting with you
exactly and I say mo amoye presenters am public eye say bia na say banner say we start losing it. I won't say now every now after ye be invited show and a programmer. Now you don't have to a bench. What I say. And for some people no a occupational because of the way our society no we perceive people.
Oh yeah, do radio so no kwa there was o sesra bofo.
O the emphasis o the say Bema chief executive now port belly because papa do scapa dada
dividend
chief executive now say o lose shape once that they be at the year no or that no person what I say as a society no you treat him bar with a certain your friend of body shaming sometimes they to me shaming but to me man bar feel bad for that body almost fault and say sebio Yakupon more that sa me so mo no mbewo ana on be man kola no for ni ade what you say it sometimes na yan say no to me man say about with them body no enti no I was say be man no so yeti omo ase but the other aspect no say sometimes so bi no so ya ono an oyama no
Obi can't say I want to look good. To feel good.
Exactly. And you know, a bit so hosa. But the other say this media major man no. You know, make I say it's good or bad, but what's your reason for doing it? Is it what I say? Because as I say, I know 7 years ago my kind I quite say competition be. I just say you know say obi o kwa bia na Uba school fees but now what to use it because I did so in that form.
Meba so ye kwa jin kraba ye ba ye behwe ne bo ne de atoto asase bo ho ne de atoto cement bo ho se etimi tododo a afie betu ye hofo nyame ya adoma ma na ye monkomo ye bo nkomo no pa na wuti ni se ya na de wani asisle queens so o ma me bi otifie na nse why from no nya duro bia no wono mu wakwa ye bi wan kan kire wo de o ha ba 1 week bi no da obutuwa nko awanya hwe onim de wakwa akoyo o twen ma nafa efa la obi e ka say ba ya nka ma yeyi e ba wi abonsa yes ojane na so na ye bisa say eno ene solve your problems ana omo anyame gbo wo mo with that shape na hu ya wani bre no omu nyina na ya adefo wonhu obi a eto na wopɛ no owo bi anantuo na wopɛ no owo bi afuru ketwa na wopɛ no owo bi enso ne ho kura akire ne kyɛn wo yankɔgye enkran free yaboafo ho na sɛ yɛkɔba yɛbeto aso
Mr. and Mrs. The man praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church de mu husi temu ya. Na nwa bio ni wobekwa akoro nyina to twa.
Hey, Pastor. If we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules a. Wo kire yen no. Enija befie pa.
Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpam mreye. Ene me junso mu yale. Ene oba no so na ho kika na wo fom no. Ene na yase a aya na ya na fichi problem no. CB women's capsules abegini nyina free so.
Maye ka mesi mi dada emunti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nkwan. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man me madam ase. Apinfo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra wo ni mfie dumienu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical and herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. Afa 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadu so feel. Hey, you also
Adum Praise Multimedia Adum 106.3 FM at the Adum Praise 2018 Viasina Branabeshia Dine Entry Hamilton also Rebecca Sa and Max Praise Multimedia Kwa Pastor Kwame Manukri Kweku JC and Afe Sax Bossa Eben Willie and Mike the elder Mbreku baby Nasadano Onyanko Poini Munyambe Sane na Yarsabe Juma and Wasrababa Onyami favor any protection Buso Magana for 31st August our Perez Dome Adum Praise 2018 is brought to you by Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Yield Money Plus, Fasusu Talk, sponsors, DBS Roofing Sheet, Roof Papa Pafie, Bell Aqua, proudly Ghanaian, Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea, Adabrijo, Away, Amanak Rare Estate. You dream it, we build it. Franco Trading Enterprise, from Papa Pafie, Vitamec, a meal on its own. Classic no mosquito coil and spray. Obede Fili, Escort Security Services. Think safety. Choose Escort Security. Goldman Capital. Financial support. Solid as gold. Big Boss Energy Drink. Bossita. Papa's Pizza. Taste it. Love it. Polar Ice. Your #1 angelic gel. NBF Gingiva Gel. New best friend for your mouth. Willet Investment. Where genuine land is sold. Luzentel tablet. Formulated to overcome malaria resistance. Oba Spaghetti. Food you can trust.
Give us ice drinking water. Gigi will need
Trelidor, Africa's strongest burglar proofing, securing your blessing. Calipo, feeling good. Fresh Lady, Yopo Fresh. Araba Bazan capsules. Ubaya Obasi Max. Tumira Herbal Research and Clinic. Ayara Safi. Adum Praise 2018. Yeah, baby. Yes,
Mr. and Mrs. The man praise the Lord. Hey, Pastor. Hallelujah. The church de mu husi temu ya. Na nwa bio ni wobekwa akoro nyina to twa.
Hey, Pastor. If we say me kunu fa me do CB men's capsules. Na me so me no ma de CB women's capsules a. Wo kire yen no. Enija befie pa.
Praise God, praise God. CB men's capsules. Abesa me mpam mreye. Ene me junso mu yale. Ene oba no so na ho kika na wo fom no. Ene na yase a aya na ya na fichi problem no. CB women's capsules abegini nyina free so.
Maye ka mesi mi dada emunti. Me rapon ya na obefie.
Nka me nkwan. CB men and women capsules. Susie Herbal Center Ghana man me madam ase. Apinfo abatan wo mo manufo ne mofra wo ni mfie dumienu nka ho. Our pharmacies chemical and herbal shops nyina mu. Etufo frɛ Susie Herbal Center 0247 11 16 71. Afa 0246 57 87 50.
CB men and women capsules.
Ubadu so feel. Hey, you also bro.
Scatterbad, bro. The guy in shit. It be Abibas or Addis Ababa. Russia could see big macho man like him. You're trying to fake. We all get wanna taste, but if you go for the authentic, if you come original taste one, if you wanna roots no. My guy, you the bab. That be why I never show you fake. As we the city SF as boys, we dey drink the mix of roots, herbs, and fruits. The original Tankasa. Origin in a beer bottle, dear. Herbs, stay inside. But Macho Abibas, they come on a table. Oh, yes, sir, boss. Oh, yes, sir, not be you we talk about. We beg. Choose Origin. Live original. Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under 18 years of age. Not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
A woman with enough body, hey, oh yeah, nice baby. Oh boy, dear, oh your dust here, oh your summer here, oh yeah, nice shoddy. A woman with enough body, hey, oh yeah, nice baby. Oh boy, dear, oh your dust here, oh your summer here, oh yeah, nice shoddy.
She dey call me honey, she dey call me baby, she dey call me sweetie. Where I dey call am jolly. She dey call me honey, she dey call me baby, she dey call me sweetie. Where I dey call am jolly. Baby I so Shelly baby I so Sister baby I so Shelly baby I so
Ene na baby asoso na yahu sesa nye de esoso no kwa na mema ne pe ebi so pe no baby aye flat eti se ema no susu bitwe saade no na wo ma etwemelanga ama mema ne ntia ne otimi fa ne se handbag no otimi fa ne se kangaroo ene bebre yet was yam komodwumadi esunie kai se Facebook betimi de wadwenkyere afa ho no maba na brepam yakenkan ede ama akosua esua ehwe yen Grace amenyo ese ogitum Grace mu de wa hen de mema no na ema pressure no anase ema na ekom competition no adujamfi ama o se maye mfa sobo no mo mema no eye mana no mo problem eno mo yo Doris Adupako o se me de mintimi mo mema no sobo Rashid Idris also share live it was Spain and abusuafo nka ye bi nso ede aba ya nana bedi de ya watching yen ede yen akwakoto Facebook brepam no obeyi messages na aka no ama ya kenkan ede ama koso anafo adwenkyere ne to adom 106.3 FM ewo Facebook na yen kan emma Dr. Ampoma ewo hanom oye plastic surgeon na yanya nui de yene no ebedi enkomo na kai se enche bia betimi afre na wabem na waba betre wadwen mema no na de pressure bia to ma no so ama ema no ku ye ho se de bia mema nani beso yen ana se eye mana ena fe de ya pre yi ye nompe unka we se memi ya doctor abana mi yimfe nka se na abekwa na maboba ye light super si ho anom wade na emaya na yeku ye ho ye pese ye fe ede akrampo ni fefe no numbers na 0268499347 0268499347 and 0302216561 and 0302216562 so a 61 and 62 and a juma and then with me a friend na udode aka ho Samuel Lasiedu asesa program say and I hear ewo Ghana ha na ye mema no a na aboja gu mani chimama feidie e mani benya kura mehye movie bi na oba na kuno ho sa oba ma ne mpeno e Ghana fumo wo hwe ye na oba wati hwi mu na ni kuno no epia no se na se oba woni nan na apa kana nka metwa me de ma we kwa me de ni gyina ho enso se na enye eno ena wo mu epe ato kwa me na ewo North Kaneshi akaye ho ewo ahomaso ato ma joy
ya na odo
mama yo bomti say na fa wadwenkyere ka ho
mpomu de eye nyamisha mo ebre ni adwuma pa mo ye o se na se ema no back as do na fi ma no ana mama no so ye ka ho kakra me see na me pe oba ne mu odu na ne fudoso but me nya na sa what ya say nearby no me fa na sa no ya slim but na o nufu kakra it's me fa na sa but me whom ma a swarm no for those one. I always admire them. Now a man on the anti make us say, I shall make us a man on the and say, man be brave because the young could see. Now when you bear my saint in the men's tobacco, yes, sir. Then I mean to be nippy. And to mass rebbe a man and tom was a cacra. Na yen so a man on so near ni one, the dear children, young so young Shresenia, because they say there's a saying say or say men are moved by what they see. And to be who say no for na hiposana na dosana, that it moves me into young more by. I mean, Shramu.
On Shawon so atokwamena, Mame Akoto Ewosuhum, Mammy Abekayensa. Mammy Akoto Akwabo Fawade Akahu.
Yo, yeah. Mepato Doko Casano can be said. Silicon. And we are between 10 to 12 years. As I was cycle. Na is Sanama. Now, this time's Bibiaba, almost kind of feeling. And Europe no me no. Ebi ase wo ye age na. Wo mutumi file na wani na samba normal. If you say no so mo ye bia na. Na o mo ye bi nso a eno so it take how long because minim tagama ha sa de no kra bi wa. Me say na nwure ya mo kan sabe. Timbe so chire mu kakra wo ho no. Because Europe no metumi aya mo aba normal. Wo even 50 years kra o mutumi ye no look be 30 or even 25. But because I had almost to me, Emma will last longer. They said, you know, one bit. And I have you a hand, I've been in her.
Matime bisa ma na mabisa ne bo kra kan ho Mame Akoto Awosu hum medase se ode wadwenche beka ho yem posona yemfa answers no bi emra doc obisa se de yetimi ma abrewa eye ababa na so ye akwada no Ghana ha ebi wa ha na
o kan Phyllis ye omu ahodo oh ye wo Phyllis eno eye permanent and I offer Phyllis eno ye temporary. Now depending on situation you see each one but Phila no and yet they are a man looking young but also share and sometimes it be before say yeah baby be suatra and they are high because tango bon boy no e be before share share also say na e bobetitia e be before no yeah na ukoye kom abrewo bia okase we di 60 kra and as we di edo son and I do wonjin because the name ye very smooth because say na yakobon boy ye honam no eno ahoodin o ahoodin chen abrofo won say abrofo no brepi no omudi beyem from 30 to 40 to 50 once na enim na trum say trum into no sometimes and into that you no mutu be edi omu age kwa
is football age doc ye be sign aba so patience ya chewo adabraka patience akwaba oh patience enya che yenkoso ofrefro aba hello good evening odini baby afrefi
hello mpache patience
adabraka patience for what didn't check out.
Please wait.
Oh, yentimi ntwen nyame adom na wasan ababiu. Yamon komo sunye ewadom 106.3 FM enen komo no emu aye de pana doctor wano eda asem bi so awoka.
Nti me pa je say enti sa Phyllis yes ye omu different types you see ye biwa but de say eya ha no wo hwa mpembe no yenko wo hwe ebibifo now show before that say BB say facelift and I say before time here those is because say na yakobon boy no ye age no say ye honam no ehon ahoden pa into ye nyi crabo na we don't look that old as compared to abrofo na obidi late 30s 40s people say na ni no atwonchom na so many changes no na say ye face and I say ye feel it so many times and now some of those fillers are temporary. Internal say bia say for say bia Oscar ceremony bi ba na say ya but say no bia akọ feel one looking fresh but usually I know and some of them don't last about last about 3 months just also top up and no more permanent but the problem say permanent ones so more complications
yeah enche na ate kwama wa be se de tete na otie no eno nshadan ha adwin bebre
because no usually a biological material ya test ya hu say ene honam but permanent ones no eta complications. And number 2, you can say be say facelifter. Facelift usually average say ukoye facelifter. Facelift ebe ma wa look younger about average 10 to 15 years. Into those say where the 50 year and I say where the 60 year, it will make you look 20. No, but to make you look younger, but it will make you look each procedure one reasonable expectation to be
na obisa say ye bi wo Ghana ha.
Yes, yeah.
Yo, and you know about see ye bi. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, soon.
But you didn't baby Alfrefi.
Me baby always. You from me Hannah.
Yo, Obaba Hannah for adventure break.
Me so be can be.
But you meet here wo.
You must say, ma what sorry. Me wo me third born nature no me for e kese. Me bo mo anyi. Enti na me bisa say, me wo exercise ya make me aya akwa na. And I'm obviously be a mayor at the call because me was flat tummy but they say it and to me near flat. Me home me said boy
yo me da se doctor Edin Chimu ebe maun doc say wa wo me ensa aka ne nanka hu na hour of glass say there one sack enti obisa say ede na obeye
Ukraine say oba efa yefuna say enyin se no akola no so ana se ebi of nim entafo na there sometimes no na muscle bi na muscle na my 6 pack e wo yefu no mo ebom nti se you say no eye kese sa na etumi stretch etumi twi muscle no dem na ebiem na kwan bi abedem nti no sa no se utumi exercise e wo wiase na and
and sign call.
I know that say yes, sign your surgery. But because say obia ne was a situation. Obi wo wa no dey so call gym kakra obey okay. Obi so na because of me saying
afro na ye kese no.
Kese nti na ama kwan abedem. Nti na no dey obi hia say be say.
Doc ebe hia say obeti na didie so ana so obehwe na didie yie.
No, usually send obi ba for yeah evaluation. You share your exercise, your diet, all those things. What you say, no, I know na the started. So you fit. Say you fit here, say na ye surgery. Obi are exercise. Ehun here. Into exercise no, although more improvement now open no. Exercise is very important because apart from we full exercise no, eboa we need peduani na. No, and exercise is still very important. And at that, so yeah, I was say she did him. And those are very important. But obi I know why you waiting actually still not problem went to the most sometimes it's because say I didn't will be into no I was say surgery na
close me da say doctor ena ne wa kire ye mu say ye baba bebisa ne bo no na ye de beto so ansa na yakọ madam Gifty ye kọ krakra na ye kwei wa futu a wo de magana ma tissue efa say yes san bibi e we ni pedua ma doctor me ate ase ye say enyanya me na de bo wa de won say kọ kan de e dan se bo a e wo sunsanso asenye ne kura wo chine bi ebetimi dia bro wo futu a wo den magana ma
dia me dasi futu a me de ma menua ma mu nyina ne se wo me accept se ne yeti bia ye Nyankopon bo ye bia de njintum se wo ye kese a fan ko kese wo ye tiatia so a no fa ne sa wo toro ye flat a fan flat wo benya be ma ono so pe flat na wo ye kese so benya obi ono so pe kese na ni ji kese ho Antino said in Yakopo boy bia engine se fata so de mayen no de
because engine tum who say say yenyi ye hunni entini ye sana na
de bi yenti ye ho asese Yakopon nyansam no eno na e fata ye no de mayen
se menua bema rasta owari ususu se ede na Ghana for manyo sabre ya doctor me hunu say nya yare na enye nkwanhia ene enka uye we na san say won sunsunso nti no ka exercise na so be hwe adidi mu kra yie no ka no ye
miniaba senia miniaba kan no e wo se wa wogi wo hudi na hu se sei no Nyankopɔn bɔ me nti Nyankopɔn abɔ me sei na che se menya me dɔfo ana obi a ono so pɛ me structure se me to ye flat ana me what to be bre ana me wa glass ana se me wo one sack se sa wanya sa me akokodro no ana se wanyi hu anyi hu ani se senia metie ni me so me ho efe obi antimi enka so ho efe obi akakra na wiase nyina akakra wo nyindi oh na efe wo koye te se senia American se 50-year-old no aye eno na aye se alacha gambisa no ka na twem so engine no that's 120y
o se esa na ede
alacha gam ka dada na engine ya mono bisa kwa thank you kwa won se
kra unam kra yetimi chew
se
eden na ka we na 2018 e bom
itino obia ni what the 40 the 40 what the 50 the 50 obeshia 50-year-old man bi ono so pay 50-year-old woman na what they aboso na moko na sa where the 50 opese di 20 no
football age
emwa
and where football looks
emwa
mate that's no be the message bi abakwa che prepare Alex wase yammo media no sobo sa nipa yi a ye de fila akwa hyehyemu yi ye ka wo mo asem a ye from celebrities unhunu impact bia owo e wo society no so ye from celebrities ye bebo mu din ofa ha ne de paparazzi say din na twetwa no photo ne na wo mo mbe tweet wo mo mbe social Facebook na wo mo mbe twra to wo mo website ne ade na obi ya de akire enti eno ka ho bi nti obi pese onya din onim sesa oyes ha eno ono so ye behun se wasebi enti ode sobo no abai amayen media for kwache prepare Alex woni ye wase wana somewhere see edu o se program say na ye hia bebre ababeka ho nenso bre nti doctor wo he niam aka wo me ni doctor ntem no ebi etwan pa doctor emma timi base ya bi amawo me wo fa amase ehodo ma bi enti pam ho ma me
etu ibansa minimum to me about that because now you procedures bia etumi ma hono se bia na se hono bia na ahwa structure etumi san ko ni data kachum kaka ha nti your procedures say na technology asem nti your procedure for the teliba etumi ye ema no but no other indications. It's not just for that. Also be o na sebi obi a oya abesiwa no na je say oni be mehia o ni hunsuo o nsuo bi eba je say ma we no comfortable baby na afi na hono ma ye dry na intino na afi na dry sana na bia na ofini pains intino na afi na or train who fi be man ho sa to make creative problem and am ba no bi so wa so munyin kakra na omo after war near there no sometimes no omo ase no change be to me see or abi say otika mu na ka no bo porto kwa wan ye careful obedun so no ho and I say just ordin na se wan kan ho anko edware a ntimi hold because that muscle na wo no aye weak kakra ha enti ye wo efiri bi e fe ne temiva to me solve that problem. It's usually no about for treatment now. To me improve in fact sad dryness no any when usually so ma omo to me sane omo ntem kaka so improve those internal you know na omo actual problems na just frivolous so you can say just
plastic e be
a problem because sometimes obi o na why oni ni kunti pepepe any problem be any but say our mu kita hodie de a part of life into say eno enso ntumi wie pay ya na eno so tumi e de challenges bi ba asitine no minti no there were procedures be to me eboa with those kind of situations.
Yo, me da say doc, okay baby say liposuction. And no averagely. Ebeka say ye de bo to so, ye de ko benkum ba ni fa be gina finfin a. Me ye bia metimi aboka be ye say.
Oh, and a big range because obi wa no oba oye ne fu oye ne sa oye ne se depending on and depending on the parkour so obi wa na say my sister or cute come but obi so about giant ujina ho at the end sound
and depending upon the size
number of areas
of person watch and a check say na funko na me fa ne say onye obi a osomro so
a to me range
Mikita be 500 Ghana cedis meet me like
500 Ghana cedis theater
Mikita 1,000 Ghana cedis me theater
okay from
Mikita 2,000 Ghana cedis meet me theater Mikita 5,000 Ghana cedis meet me
it depends on their
na say bia okay me basa mpesa me twa ho kaka Mikita
basa no no ankoso kwa de be 10,000 ebet me akọ.
Wow. Pepe wa 100 million. Wouldn't say me kro me top plot me ensa. Enu achi no.
Be say enu de the no choice.
It's a choice. Yeah.
A choice because of you Obeka say a date to the pabre. It's no person are happy. I don't need the priority.
You look good to feel good.
Exactly.
Matthias say
people have their priorities. And enough for her to judge.
Who your doctor?
Yeah, doctor for. At the end, they say you have to make sure say you understand what you are doing. Or say the pros and cons, what can be achieved, and then you have to make sure that it is done safely. Any
by professionals.
Complications. You know, my imagine some person this plastic cosmetic surgery. There are a number of things you have to know. First of all, you have to know what you want. Okay. Obiwana or grow what is a ye been to the misery by okay then they don't even know what they want. The minute pass and because Obama problem. And number 2, you go to the right facility and get a trained person or be properly qualified. You training, work go through the training. Because plastic surgeon, who be a doctor course before be plastic surgeon, they take you by at least 6 years. And so wait to me as you apply surgery because you need to money here. You can't just do anything. Internal. Because after medical school 6 years, so some for year plastic surgery
12 years.
Yes. If you don't cry, more than that. Even further internal is important. And apart from that, so facility are one. So also make sure the facility is a properly accredited facility. And the team because it's not just surgeon. Apart from surgeon, it be a more monitor. Sometimes they be an abino I was saying mauda. And the doctor never an anesthetist to also make sure say anesthetist is also a very qualified person. I'll bet you money because sometimes surgeon there about to be a koyo, but we have a point to know all the nurses normally a critical care nurse how to monitor patients who have
international say answer now be no bisa questions.
I was so bisa and let's make say we no cosmetic be be an emergency. Into ya dia ye prayer who say gidi e bia be party be next week into no by business no say wo to obo na wo ye hwehwemu wo kenkan Bible say for lack of knowledge my people perish. Into no important say we better into now we make sure the doctor no wa check who bisa doctor no question na say officer who bisa no too many questions na as a doctor no
bibi odisi
exactly into the so to bisa all the questions na you one na say wow to akuma na say you okay na we go ahead
me da say doctor say me twe mafuso e de agumeto a eno so ne boy den kakra na person bisa say
because apart from say you twist there no
another procedure
another kit they process fat no I the battery into no I boy de kaka bono so kaka
okay doc sa me ba na me pese me de bibi gu meto ba mi ankasa me gina ho no ba bia nso am betwe a mo benye bi de gu ama me
ebia no on say fat no de wa honam into no honam eje into ye bibi ne bibi say e be reject na na say bibi sa into wa honam but you to be ko you obi de enfa but body be rejected different unia kra on fi mama ba ko papa ba ko kra be rejected this are more identical twins and no na mo genes no the same but apart from that no into for people for nipa bia no need strategy no be no mo na you see implants no more but implant no e more potential complication as saying say be
betimi ha dwen a chen say de wa honam mu ade ene egu ba bi foforo and the ubutu ho a oto ubutu ho kakra bia
and the secondly no so no you see implants now mo say make say you the implant no she ho a e say nya honam bi e be cover implants so it is a implant no na say wo fon pa mo say implant no bo say be do be na implant no tua obi tu say implant but say wa honam a eno de wo ye kese na eno ne wo ye kese wo fon say ne wo fon
yes abeka wo
yes abeka part of body
okay me da say adofo here ne Dr. Opokuware Ampoma plastic surgeon na ono na oye pani e wo constructive plastic reconstructive plastic surgery and burn center e wo Kolebu oni ene no edi nkomo yi nti se de na okasese wo beye bia hunu abemfo de na chese ya ye Kolebu wo mu ye bi e wo honom enya de a doka de ba kwa na san bi nsam bi esisi ye nti na amanfo adwen yo mo se eye illegal bibi amra ma kwan bi e na amanfo hye ba bi tokrom ba bi a wo mo je
o de bi mbra ma kwan mbra ensi hu kwan but they we na say ubenya obi oya qualified professional or your register because even say me although mesua when say me no kwhye corner bi mu na say
now we are emrati micho
because wrong or say your facility are registered the appropriate staff and personnel and equipment they ho make sure say bibie ni a ebetumi aso ano
edase ya ne doctor nkomo no megidi se yesua bibi ewo mu pa na ebeboa yen pa nti se wo bema na se oba no uhwe na ne kala no wo fa kala foforo bi mpana wo de pressure etu ne kom yenu aba ne se eno ka ho bi ene ma ema ne to de bia na waye ha ade na me ya mikunu ni beje me ho sanse ya tese yesi mema de mani hu no enna mudi akire enti ana opese oye de obehu a wani ebedi akire ye yate no no enna menu ebema so se mu ana mpena mu isi mu akan wo pa ye ho se so abofo obefa omfa womfa obema bi de na yire de ye bonde enso wote ho obi de ono uhwa enhwe mami bi o kato ba hwa hwe yiwenyiwa enso wote ho onko ba bia obi kan sim bi se obema upa bisa bema enti yire chi oba fros me na me to de mi di kura minya na maze akofo oba foforo aka ho enso onye ska onya de wodi nu wie dia eni obetimi abakọ homa mienu nti obekọ enti sister menku hu bebe utie nsam a doctor kan ye ya de na wo ye no ebetimi kwa wie na asan akọkọfo ha foforo abrewo dia eni ye mon komo na ye fa nkomo no mo yitum se emwan efa Facebook adom 106.3 FM to betimi afra wo nuanom na daachi bi ochena konyina eda ho no betimi ahwe nyame eye adom ema ye sister gift oben efri kuma so trade e wo Pokuware basic ena obeka ye ho ena menua bema rasta kwesi oware onso de na se menua kwasi ada nka mo ye imi afri mo ba ye kwasi wo ho misumi ya kwasi ntimi de me ho ahyem ena Dr. Opokuware Ampoma so beka ye ho medam ase papa se enanwumre mo beka me ho ma ye monko dwumadi no esi pina esi tanyame ya adom wa minim se brefofrom ye to nsa frem mo beba na mo beba no ba besia ma me ye bo a asi edu sanse na adwani ni brainy Adafo Adamasi ade asedani bi emma CB men and women capsules adwumako ede baaye no omo de ye nton wo mo nti seed bi no nko adin ne bebo CB men capsules no emema enoma yere num ne di ho adanse emema no bodi omunim ene ema atete no omote store omumu na nyina omosresre se edamu sosa esa ese bibia o unwuda nti ya na mema no monom na amana so no bema benom no ode beba na obaba na be wateche de sister oya bodua ya na so anom CB women capsules osini wagina osini watwa osusini watwa esa atwetwetwe nko a wodam ho na mode adamo so dai papa bia de achi a wode anije akọ adwuma sanse no pene ade a unua ba timizu niama unua ba ma timizu niama bibia apart from no nipa ba ko pene so yema nti odi unua ma ya na wahawo wo mo etia no ahwehwe aduro no bi na wato nana bedi de adama eno maye so fa de ekoto Facebook ema unya bi hweye na unya bi so tie shine aqua ewo ha egbomichi dom sanso so na atie de ahwene pa enso na odi akwani abasa o she African we na producer extraordinaire ene mami si Nyameche Thompson the test message producer nyame adom na de obafi hanti ene no ene di djuman mimi din ni ohema sachiwa ahwene pa nyame ya adom a ye behia wo kina no pa no nsia